Join me in the studio while I paint this dramatic, atmospheric seascape, the Devil's Headland. This workshop will add a host of watercolour techniques to your arsenal. Stormy skies, tumultuous seas, towering cliffs, lightning, a lighthouse, fishing boats, an atmosphere and drama by the bucket load. Or should I say the boatload. This workshop will also teach you about the very important concept of connection in your paintings. Without connection, your paintings will never be successful. Yes, it's that important. Let me show you how to master this skill and a few others along the way with this fantastic, exciting watercolour workshop. This workshop is just under an hour long and takes you from a blank sheet of paper to a completed painting. Get lifetime access to this fantastic video on demand watercolour workshop today for just £25. I'll see you in the studio.